Hello everybody! Here is finally my Barbie Looks doll. I've been waiting for for a very long time now, and this has been like passed around whole Europe, it seems. I was already convinced I was being totally scammed. I'm not happy with the packaging here at all, but okay. So let's hope this doll will still be whole, intact. It's the Swedish word, I suppose. Intact is the Swedish word, means it's whole. Maybe it's an English word also, I don't know. Well, I'll pause for a minute and open it. Okay, well, she's been a bit smushed, but it seems like she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful, so beautiful. Finally I got this doll. I really want this one. So I hope everything is okay. You know, the packaging is smashed. I'm happy I'm not one of those collectors who collect everything in boxes, because this is a disaster, of course. But, she is absolutely stunning. I really love this doll. I really do. Oh, Loki's. Oh, you don't love this doll? No. Okay. I will open her and then check that everything is alright, okay? So, okay. I think she's very, very, very beautiful in every way. I'm very happy I got this doll. The only thing that's not perfect is that her dress is not a two-piece, it's a romper. But I knew that already because I had seen it in another YouTube video from someone else. I really do like this doll. She's very, very, very beautiful, and so I have nothing bad to say about this doll. She's perfect. She's absolutely perfect. She's so lovely. I really do love her a lot. She's fantastic. Her hair is thick and beautiful and not gluey at all. It's so soft, and the joints are like Barbie Looks perfect. And I really think that Barbie Looks should be sold everywhere, because Barbie Looks dolls are absolutely perfect. And wow, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. And my dog doesn't. Okay, he didn't seem to agree. He thinks it's very strange when I talk English into the camera, and I understand. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I finally got this doll, and that she is so beautiful. And oh, lookies. Oh. Ah! No! Oh my god. He was actually starting to chew on her. I was no. Lookies. Du vet att du är sötast. Du vet att du är sötast. He's the cutest one. Joaquin.